This is one example of a time signature. A time signature tells us a few different things. The top number tells us how many beats per measure, in this case 4. The bottom number tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. In this case, 4 stands for a quarter note, so there would be 4 beats per measure. If you are unfamiliar with what a measure is, here's a picture of 4 different measures. They are always separated by vertical lines, called bar lines. Here is another example of a time signature. The top number tells us how many beats per measure, so in this case there are 3 beats per measure. The bottom number is still 4, so quarter notes will get 1 beat each. In other words, there will be 3 quarter notes per measure, or the equivalent. For example, you may have a half note and a quarter note, which would total 3 beats. Here is one last example. Since the top number is 2, that means there will be 2 beats per measure, and the bottom number is still 4, meaning quarter notes will get 1 beat. In other words, there are 2 quarter note beats in every measure. This could be 2 quarter notes, or it could be 1 half note. Just remember, the top number is how many beats per measure, bottom number tells us which kind of note gets the beat. If you are counting while playing, always remember to count up to the top number, in this case 2, and then as soon as there is a measure line or a bar line, you restart at 1.